Congratulations on grabbing yourself a copy of this course, in which I'm going to be talking about a business model called launch jacking. Okay, this is a business model that I've seen newbies do and make thousands in their first month. Now, I'm not guaranteeing anything here. I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make a lot of money with launch jacking, but I am going to teach you how to do launch jacking in this course, specifically the 5-step formula to success. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, in which I'm going to be talking more about what is launch jacking. Okay, and also I'll give you the benefits of launch jacking in another video, and then I'll get more into the 5-step formula.